Okay, so good afternoon, good day. This is Ma'am Apple. I'm going to discuss to you on how to add vectors using graphical method. So we are going to use graph or you are going to use protractor on how to add vectors. So this is vector addition using graphical method. Okay. So, example, meron tayong example dito. For example, your vector 1 is 10 meters to the west and another is 5 meters south. So, if you're going to do that, gawa lang tayo ng Cartesian plane. And Cartesian plane, example, this is your Cartesian plane. That is your Cartesian plane. This is your x and this is your y. Okay, so this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So, sabi natin, palitan natin yung color natin. Gawin natin yung vectors natin ay gawin nating red. So, sabi ng vectors dito, 10 meters west. So, gagamit tayo ng scale. Ang gagamitin nating scale ay in one box po ay 1 box is 1 meter. Okay? Sa isang box na ito, sa isang box na yan ay 1 meter yan. Okay? So, this is 1 meter. This is 2 meters. So, i-drawing po natin yung vectors. Gamit lang po tayo ng ibang pen. So, we always have to start from the starting point. Kapalan natin ng onte. Start from the starting point. Ito siya. So, sabi natin 10 meters. Kung 10 meters, ibig sabihin, lalagpas tayo ng ilang box? 10 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's it. That's your first vector. Yun na yun. And then, i-zoom out natin. Sabi natin, 5 meters south. 5 meters south daw. So, ibig sabihin, gamit tayo ng ibang color. Gamit tayo ng blue. Okay. 5 meters south. Kung paano ka mag-add head to tail method. Kung saan ka nag-last, dun ka mag-i-start for the next vector. So, since nag-start ka dito, mag-ano ka din dito. Sa sag-end ka dito, mag-start ka din dito for the second vector. So, ibig sabihin, 5 meters south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yun na yun. Okay? And then, after that, you're just going to connect. So, this is your final position and this is your initial position. You're just going to connect both of them. Okay? You connect mo both of them and then, you are going to measure this. Itong length na ito. I-measure mo siya. I-measure mo siya based on your scale na ginamit. So, for example, dun sa may isang box, ay i-measure mo yung box para, example, wala kasi akong ruler. For example lang ha. For example, estimate lang. So, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so ang estimate natin ay 10 meters. Pero in reality, you are going to measure that. Ang gagamitin mong pang-measure ay ito. Sa isang box ay ilang centimeters. Kailangan mong ilapat yung ruler mo dito, yung ruler mo dyan, para bibilangin mo. May ruler ka dapat dyan. Okay po? That's how you add vectors using graphical method. And, meron pa po tayo, meron pa po tayong hahanaping angle. Yung hahanapin nating angle, sige, let's use some other color. You use red. Yung angle from here to here. Okay? You are going to use a protractor to measure this angle. May measure mo using protractor. And then, for example lang ha, ang nakuha natin ay 65 degrees. Paano po siya? Paano po yung direction niya? 65 degrees, tignan mo muna kung nasan siya, west or east. Nasa west siya. Tama? Lagay mo doon yung W. Tignan mo din kung siya ay nasa south or nasa north. Kung nasa south siya, this is in south. Tama? Nasa south to. Kasi ito yung hati. Okay, ito yung hati. Kung nasa south siya, edi lagay mo S and then of west. Ibig sabihin, 65 degrees south of west. Or, pareho lang siya ng, this is your reference angle. This is 90. This is 90. Bakit po 90? Ito 90. Another 90. And then, yung 65. So, para makuha mo yung reference angle, 90 plus 90 plus 65. I-add mo lang po silang lahat kasi yung reference angle, manggagaling siya dito sa positive x-axis. Manggagaling ka dito and then iikot ka pag ganun kung hanggang saan yung resultant vector natin. Doon ka magka-count. So, 90 plus 90 plus 65 is equal to, I guess, it's 245. 180 plus 65, it's 245 degrees. Therefore, 65 degrees south of west is also the same as 245 degrees. Kapag ka naka 245 degrees ka na, wag mo nang lagyan ng south of west or whatsoever. So, yun. That's how you add vectors using graphical method.